everyone, I'm Teacher Hidayah of Genius Young Minds, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time. You're watching Score PSLE Math videos with me. Today, I'm going to share with you one of the must-know PSLE problem-sum math concepts. It's good for the P6 and P5 students. This is concept number 10, comparison model concept. Okay, so as the concept name is model, I'm going to draw out model to actually solve this question. Okay, so for comparison model concept, you always, in a question, you can always see comparison between people or object or subjects. Okay, so in this question, I have Siti, Amy, and Judy. Alright, so we have 3 people in the question. Okay, so I'm comparing between these 3 girls and what they actually have, the amount of money. Okay, so let's try out this question. So Siti had $49 more than Amy and 1/4 of what Judy had, which means for this 1/4, I'm still talking about Siti. Okay, so if they had 851 altogether, how much money did Siti and Amy have altogether? Quite straightforward, okay? But if your child is unable to identify the units for each of the person in the story, he or she are going to use the wrong method or model to draw for this sum, okay? So identify the units for each person. That's what we're going to do. So Siti had $49 more than Amy. So which means Siti have $49 more than Amy. I'm comparing Siti and Amy. Then I'm still comparing Siti. So in this case, this is still Siti. Okay, Siti and Judy. Alright, so this is Judy. So if they means Siti, Amy, and Judy. 851 altogether. How much money did Siti and Amy have altogether? That's the 2 girls. Okay. So now let's try to draw out the model. Okay. So we have here Amy is the only person, right, that we actually currently do not know how many units. But so if we start off with Siti had $49 more. So I start off with Siti. Okay, so Siti had more than Amy, so I start drawing my Siti first. So I draw 1. Why 1? Because I know 1 unit and 4 units is what Judy have. So Judy have 4 units, so I can start drawing these 2 girls first. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Try to make them as equal as possible. Okay, so we now know Amy, and when we compare to Siti, Siti have $49 more, which means Amy is $49 shorter. Here, you can see. Okay, then the 3 girls have $851 all together. I want to find out how much does Siti and Amy have all together. These 2 girls. Alright, how do we do this question? Very easy. You need to actually identify the equal parts or units first. All these are equal except for this. So what do? We add in the 49 to the total. So now my new total is 851 plus 49. This gives me $900. This is my new total. And this $900 represent what? This is already included. So it will look like this. It is 1 whole already. It's 1 part already. So it's for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. Okay. So 6 unit is 900. 1 unit is 900 over 6 equals to 150. This one is actually Siti. We find out already. This is Siti. Can we find Amy? Can. So Amy is actually 150. The 1 unit. Okay. Take away 49 and this will give me 101. Do we stop here? No, because question say how much money does Siti and Amy have all together. So you put there Siti plus Amy is equal to 150 plus 101. This will give me $251. And this is my answer. So this is comparison model question, okay, or concept. It's very straightforward, alright? All you have to do is identify the units for each person, then you compare accordingly, alright? A good 3 marks question for P5 exam, or maybe for the P4s and even the P3s, alright? So, if you find this video beneficial, why not share this video so that other parents and students can learn this concept and benefit from it as well, alright? This has been Teacher Hidayah and I'm, where we help your child score in math within a very short period of time.